After buying the component from the link in the description below, you will get a zip file. Extract it. Then, you will get the component file, CSS file, and instruction file. An instruction file. I add steps to use the component and some notes. After adding the files to your React project, import the component and CSS files. Also, import products images. Then, add the component and pass the products as array of objects with the same properties names. You can add a background image to the component as props. And add a text color to the parent element. Or add the background image to the parent element as a style. The same with the background color. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.